I'm excited about the redesigned SAT because it really marks a change in assessment. It engages students in argument, both on the reading side and on the author side, trying to write their own arguments, to move back and forth between, say, a table and the prose, being able to see when it's saying the same thing, when it's adding information, when it's contradicting something in the text. And this idea of going deeper rather than broader is really extremely important. What you know is really going to have a huge impact building bridges between the new and the known. I think it's extremely important that students be familiar with our literary heritage, with our founding documents, the language, the poetry, with these kind of shared public works that really make our heritage. You know, I've spent most of my career working in poverty areas. The notion of more open testing systems that really give everybody a better chance. You know, the more that assessments can be aligned with what it is that we really want students doing in school, the more likely it is that teachers will engage students to not just make it look like our students are doing well, but to actually prepare them to succeed when they do get to college. The redesigned SAT will deliver opportunities, I think, in a couple of ways. I think they're going to have an impact on what it is that teachers do with students in middle school and high school. Instead of aiming at some skills that might be predictive of college success, they'll actually be aiming themselves at the skills that really do matter in college. A second way that I think that this redesign is going to be helpful is it's more of an open information format. Students are going to have a better idea of how to prepare for it because they'll have a better sense of what they're being asked to do. I think the kinds of things that they would need to do to prepare for this are something that's not just aimed at a test, but are really aimed at college success itself.